Watch me install and style this wig from scratch. I'm starting now with the board cap method. So what I'm just doing here is creating a hole for my ear to pass through it. I'm making the hole very tiny because I want the wig cap to fit perfectly. So I'm going to put the glue spray on my hair because this method is basically to protect my edges. The most important part to spray is actually close to your ear tab because it's very easy for that place to lift. I take my time to dry it out because if it's not dried and you cut with the scissors, it's just going to be a disaster. When doing this, try to use a sharp scissors if you do not want to be frustrated. At this point, I was just moving the cap to meet my hairline. So I cut out the wig cap under my ear and trimmed out the excess. When installing with the glue, I like to go in with very little first, following my hairline, before I go in with a lot. And with the second stage, I put a lot of glue and try to press down the wig cap while applying it because some people complain of their wig cap lifting while installing their wig. So that's a way to prevent it. Okay, I think this wig is too forward. It looks so funny. Oh, this hair is so forward. Oh my god. Oh, man. So I'm just gonna trace it like the Nigerian that I am. That's the first step for the style I'm about to make. So I'm making another part there because that side is going to be going up. She ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas sees us. I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I'm seeing love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. Need to let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. Need to let me touch and need to let me love you till the morning. Need to let me love you,
and I'm going to be forgotten, and therefore you won't be able to give me the time of day because you have bigger things to pursue.
That's exactly my point.
Alex, Ebbs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me?
So this is the end of this video. What do you think? Will you be trying this style? Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.